On today's wanted donut list, an 18-year-old woman walks into a dealership trying to finance a $54,000 luxury SUV, but ends up playing a guessing game with the officer.
There.
Hello.
Can you guess why I'm here today?
Why?
Can you guess?
She lets out a big sigh.
Stand up, put your hands behind your back.
And the only thing she's driving away in has a cage in the back.
This is so stupid.
Employees at an Ohio dealership near Akron start noticing red flags almost immediately. She signs her name wrong on her own paperwork, gives an address that doesn't check out.
Just a quick rundown. So she gave us a credit app. She had trouble filling out her information. Signed on the back. Her name's Emily. Signed it with a second E in the name. Came in saying she wanted
Like at the beginning?
Yeah. No, it's Emily, and then instead of just L-Y, E-L-Y. And that's not how her name is on the license.
She says she wants a $450 a month payment. Staff show her the real number for a vehicle like this, over $1,200 a month, and she signs anyway without blinking.
She just has like a temp license. She said she wanted a $450 payment. Wasn't sure if she'd get approved. Showed her a $1,200 payment. She signed right away. We looked up the address. Doesn't line up. She says she's in Cincinnati. Works at Cleveland Clinic. Nothing. She got dropped off. She said random. Didn't call in about the car, and it's a Range Rover. So
You guys have a license?
I have the temp license in there. Well, you want to go by her, or do you want to go around?
I just want to see the license. Maybe I can run it and see.
It's one of and the temp license says she got it at the Ellet at like up here, which doesn't. We pulled her credit. We asked her if she had any previous car loans. We could see that she did. She said no.
Huh. But does the picture on her look like her?
No, because it's the temp, and it's been like copied.
Yeah. License. How's it going, man?
Hi.
Here's the license. Here's the app.
So see, she signed.
Huh.
Obviously, that doesn't really match that.
A credit pull turns up something she apparently didn't know was there. An existing $54,000 auto loan already tied to the information she's using.
No, she had one or not. This is a $54,000 loan she had before, and she's from there. She says she works at the Cleveland Clinic in Cleveland. It's a 216. And then look where she got this at, right over in Ellet.
Where's Mason? That's Cincinnati?
Yeah, down to Cincinnati.
Where's she saying she's living now?
She says she's lived here for 3 years and 3 months. But you can see here, she almost screwed up that.
Was she looking at her license when she's filling this out at all? Or?
So my sales guy, you guys want to correct this? My sales guy said that he is making a copy of this, so he had it with her, and she was struggling to fill this part out without the info.
With enough inconsistencies stacked up, employees call it in, and an officer sits down with her directly.
There.
Hello.
Can you guess why I'm here today?
Why?
Can you guess? You don't, no idea? Okay.
Is my ID?
Yeah. Folks, they're telling me, and you can tell me this is true or not. Where do you live right now? And look at this. Where do you live?
I live on 39.
In Cleveland?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a real ID on you?
No, not right now.
No? It's not yours?
Not at the moment. I don't have my ID, but I do have my driver's license.
What's your name?
Lala.
Okay. Lala. Stand up, put your hands behind your back. So you know on that piece of paper that you made up? You know how it says?
I didn't.
Read that. Did you read it about the forgery part?
Yes.
If you're enjoying today's episode, hit subscribe and officially claim your complimentary virtual donut.
Anything out here that's illegal?
No.
Anything sharp, dangerous?
No.
Drugs?
Nope.
Weapons or anything like that?
Nope.
Okay. All right. Anything else besides your phone?
Nope.
No? Okay. All right. I'll be right back in, if you don't mind. Someone wouldn't mind waiting around. I know you guys are closing and looking to go home or anything like that. All right. We're going to walk right out these doors here. You stand right by this front tire for me. Listen, you got the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. You understand all those rights that I read to you?
Yes.
Okay. Why are you out here with that fake license?
It wasn't even my idea, but somebody did some dumb shit.
So whose idea was it? What were they trying to do?
I guess they were trying to put a card, get a card down and just keep it or whatever, but I told them I don't think that's a good idea because, you know what I'm saying, this is me taking a big ass risk. On top of that, this is my ID, you know what I'm saying? This is my stuff. On top of that, I'm still young. So when I had came in here, they had said,
So you were told what?
they told me to come, they had drove me all the way down here. Gave me that, and told me just go in there and say that you want a car down for for $0.
Okay. Well, how'd you think that was a good idea? Or even going to work?
Exactly. Well, I have a job, but I raised my grandma, like I literally take care of her. This is irritating.
So you knew that you're coming in here with a fake ID to try to buy a car?
Not
Really?
buy it.
Not buy it, then what?
I wasn't going to
Lisa?
buy it. It was $0 down. I was going to try to see if I was going to get approved for it. So.
Okay. You're going to try to get approved for it, and if you got approved, then what?
Nothing.
You're going to walk out the door?
I was just
Or you're
going
going to try to get the car?
No, I couldn't. I can't drive the car. I ain't driving it, but I was gonna see if I could get approved. Then I was gonna come back, next day or something. Well, whatever they wanted to do. But I was just trying to see if I could get approved for a car.
Okay. You're 18 years old?
Yes.
Have you tried this before?
Nope. Nope. It's my first ever time experience ever doing something like
You
this.
been arrested before?
Nope.
Even as a kid? I mean, that's expunged. Or sealed, I should say. No?
This is very nerve-wracking for me, so I haven't.
Was pants stolen too?
No, I just got these the other day from my auntie. I just kept the tag on there just to show people I got money. Something that I don't know why we do that, but that's what we do. We'll keep the tags on our stuff just to show people how much it costs.
No. We don't do that in Akron. It must be a Cleveland thing. Or some of your group. Peoples. Did you read this thing at all? Or?
No. And I should have read that
You
shit.
should have read this part?
Yep. I should have read that shit. You right.
It tells you it's illegal to have this right on it.
I didn't even read it.
This part you probably
I
didn't read.
have my own license.
This part you didn't read, but I'm sure you probably studied this part real good to try to...
I should have read it.
She says she knows exactly who made the fake ID, down to the person's Instagram and phone number.
Who made that?
I know the person who had it made. I know who that is, and I know their Instagram. And yes, I would be a snitch. I don't care.
Who made it?
His name is on Instagram.
Do you know his real name at all?
No.
No? Do you know
I
what
just
say
know
that?
what he looked like. Nope. I know his number.
What's his number?
It's in my phone.
Alright.
But I can show you the Instagram.
Why'd you guys decide to come down on Akron and try?
This is where they took me. I had no clue there was, I never had any clue that we was going this far. So when I looked at my location, I'm like, why is we going all the way to Akron?
Yeah.
This is far as hell.
Yeah.
This past Bedford. I'm like, man,
Yeah.
bruh.
You guys had the whole Bedford Auto Mile right there. All them car dealerships.
I'm just irritated. Honestly, some bullshit.
Yeah. If you do have anything you're not supposed to have, they have a scanner at the jail.
That's fine. I don't got
They'll
nothing.
see it. They can see stuff that's inside you. It's like an X-ray machine.
Yeah, I don't
So
got
tell us now, because it's another felony charge.
It's much. I don't got nothing.
I'm
I just came out here with my phone to myself.
Okay. So is this the car she was trying to buy? This Kia? Did she come? Did she come in with this, or?
She's coming. No, I needed her to show me proof of insurance. So whoever she was talking to created that, and then she's.
Oh, it is. Okay, it is insurance. Okay.
She had me take a picture of it off of her phone.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Never a dull moment in your road.
Can't believe they thought she could get away with it. But when you're 18, I guess. Hey. Well, tell me about these insurance documents.
They sent that to me so I could show them.
They sent it to you? Okay, so you didn't come up with them yourself? Was it the same person that TAFE4 person sent you these things?
My phone, I could show you.
Okay.
All the messages.
They're up in Cleveland now? This TAFE person? Or do you hang out with them in person at all?
Well, this is actually my second time meeting them. They shouldn't be that far, not too far from here, because they the ones who dropped me off and was waiting. So.
Was it the TAFE guy that dropped you off? Did he drop you off?
Yes.
Were you supposed to call him to come pick you up?
Well, it was when I came out. They supposed to be waiting right there where they dropped me off at. But they supposed to.
They probably saw me and took off. I bet you.
Yeah, that's what I'm guessing. But
What kind of car they got?
it was a Nissan.
What color?
Gray Nissan. And that when I first pulled up, I was sitting over there.
They were sitting over there. You could see them.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, they probably took off. That'd be dumb to hang out. Okay.
This is so stupid. Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any way I could show you the text messages or like his number or anything?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna pay.
Yeah. What are you trying to say?
Like, I ain't trying to get put down for this. I got a life. I got work.
But you did.
But I'm not the one who made the thing.
You gotta be careful with what you do. You're 18 now. You got some real consequences.
Do you know how long I'm gonna be in there?
No, I do not know.
She was arrested and charged with forgery and false identification. Court outcome and any additional charges weren't available at the time of this report. And of course, the bonus donut charge for this one: excessive confidence in a fake ID from a guy she'd met twice. Thanks for watching. Subscribe before someone steals your donut, and we'll see you on the next wanted donut list.